Hello, I'm Bruce again. Today I'm going to introduce you a few of the shower wheels which are using for our shower doors and enclosures. And this is a traditional shower wheels. It is plastic. The body is plastic, and the same style we can use on 5mm glass and 6mm tempered glass. And this one is pretty much the same order. It's same plastic body over here. This is also plastic, so it's chrome. It looks nice, but it's slightly not as good as this model. Personally I prefer this kind of shower wheels. It's as its body is solid, even if it's plastic. For this, you can see it is hollow inside. So this is a shower wheels like this. It's higher strength for sure. Okay, the next one would be the metal. It is zinc alloy. It is medium premier quality. Also, we have higher quality like stainless steel shower wheels, but they are the highest quality. And this is like this is good as well. As we can see, the cap part. Oops. Now we'll remove this cap. It's hard to remove this. As we can see, it has a chrome plated cap, and this part is also plastic, but this part here, it is solid. It's metal, it is solid. Therefore, this is a high quality shower wheels. Alright, we can do some little test like this. See? It's solid. And I get two about this one, which we're using for sliding shower doors. Plastic. And this chrome one, it's also traditional one. The plastic one and the metal one. We're chopping it from the same height. You see the difference. Or as I said, we can offer different quality and different prices, of course, for this. And we can build the showers, shower enclosures, shower doors to custom specifications by providing a variety of shower wheels. Alright, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.